Good evening. Nowadays, we are hearing so much about a word called convalescent. Convalescent plasma therapy. What exactly is this? Let's try to understand. And as far as this COVID 19 patients are concerned, one of the mechanisms to treat them is this plasma therapy. So, what exactly is this? Let's try to understand. First of all, let's try to understand the meaning of antigen and antibodies. We are very familiar with these two words. Antigen is a toxin. Antigen is a foreign body that enters into the living beings. And that particular antigen may be virus, may be bacteria. And they will try to attack our immune system. When they are trying to attack our immune system, our immunity will be developed and our blood generates something called antibodies. So, antibodies that are present in the blood, they fight against the antigens. Antigens are the foreign bodies. So, if our antibodies are very strong, if our immunity system is very strong, we can fight against the coronavirus, or let it be any bacteria or virus, anything for that sort. So, but current situation is COVID-19. Delhi government very recently announced that it cured a patient with convalescent plasma therapy. What exactly is this? Let's try to understand. So, this antigen, the so called COVID 19, that entered into the various bodies, and those people are getting treated. And a person, the patient recovers. The person who recovered is called convalescent, meaning in that particular person, antibodies have been developed and they are very strong to fight against the COVID 19 virus. So, now what should be done? So, from that particular person's blood, antibodies can be taken and that can be ingested. That can be ingested into a COVID patient, or you can use that as a prevention. So that what will happen, the close family members, the near relatives, they don't develop the symptoms of this COVID-19 because they have the antibodies which are fighting against the this COVID-19. And initially there was a talk that this therapy cannot be this working like a cure, but Delhi government announced this worked and a patient has got recovered. And on some more members also, meaning some more COVID-19 patients, this particular therapy is being this tried. And obviously the governments are requesting the people who recovered to donate their antibodies, so that what will happen, that will be utilized for protecting the the lives of the others. Clear, this is if it is really a successful one, that may be used in a large manner throughout the country and throughout the world. That is the reason why this convalescent plasma therapy is very much there in the news. So now let me open the document and show you the document. Let's try to understand what exactly is this. Look at this. The convalescent plasma therapy aims at using antibodies from the blood of a recovered COVID 19 patient to treat those critically affected by the virus. Fine, that is number one. Number two, the therapy can also be used to immunize those at a high risk of contracting the virus, such as health workers, families of the patients, and other high risk contacts. Very important. According to the information that is available here, that can be used to cure the people, that can be used for this protecting the people as a preventive measure. This therapy's concept is simple and is based on the premise that the blood of a patient who has recovered from COVID 19 contains antibodies with the specific ability of fighting novel coronavirus. (End). The theory is that the recovered patient's antibodies, once ingested into somebody under treatment, that will begin targeting and fighting the novel coronavirus in the second patient. Very, very, very important. Meaning the people who got cured, clear, the people who got recovered, they will be now more useful for treating the patients who got affected with the COVID-19. Fine. And this is very much there in the news because it has been tried in Delhi, and Delhi government announced that a particular patient has been cured under this plasma therapy. This is akin to passive immunization, as according to researchers, it is a preventive measure and not a treatment for the COVID-19 disease. This is the this initial assumption, but the Delhi government announced that a patient has been cured. If this is really this this is really a good news, and so we can save many lives in India and also across the world. So for our information, what is antigen and what is antibody? Antigen is a toxin or other foreign substance which induces an immune response in the body, especially the production of antibodies. So obviously when a toxin enters, the virus enters, bacteria enters, so our system has to fight against that, and our system will develop these antibodies. What is antibody? It's a blood protein. Antibody is a blood protein produced in response to and counteracting a specific antigen. Antibodies combine chemically with the substances which the body recognizes as alien, such as bacteria, viruses, and foreign substances in the blood. Clear? Very, very important one. And please remember all the points. And tomorrow there may be a question regarding what is convalescent plasma therapy. And also there may be a question, what is antigen and what is antibody. Right? Please remember all the points, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.